Northwest Enterprises Crystal Clear 2-piece hard plastic 5.5-Ounce wine glasses. Each package contains 40 easy-to-assemble glasses, base and glass fit snugly. 2-piece construction makes after-party storage a breeze. Classic stemware styling, hand washable, reusable, disposable, easy cleanup. Ideal for catering, food service, picnics, weddings, buffets, family reunions and everyday use. From dinnerware, cutlery and cups to serveware, table covers and more, Northwest Enterprises has just the right party essentials available on Amazon. Red. Chablis, Pinot Gris, Cabernet. Few things invite lively times and great conversation like a wonderful glass of wine. And, because creating a festive occasion is really about creating a festive mood, Northwest Enterprises is committed to offering high-quality party essentials with an upscale look and feel at an affordable price. Northwest Enterprises Crystal Clear 2-piece hard plastic 5.5-Ounce wine glasses have that great, classic stemware shape. The glass and base fit together snugly, simply take them apart for easy storage. So, whether it's a wedding, casual neighborhood get-together, book club meeting or an easy clean-up wine tasting for two, choosing Northwest Enterprises will help you to create the perfect mood at the perfect price. Northwest Enterprises is a traditional family company with more than 25 years of experience in party supplies and food service disposables. Through their dedication to the high quality of their products and services, Northwest Enterprises continues to earn a reputation as a leader in the party industry and the trust and loyalty of their customers. Top reviews from the United States. Number 1. Bottom comes off easily. Number 2. They arrived broken. I first read all the reviews that said these glasses had two problems. Number 1. Bottom comes off easily. Number 2. They arrived broken. I still bought them. 2 bases arrived cracked, and none of the cups, where you drink from, were cracked. I did select 1-day shipping. This may have helped. So, upon arrival I told my daughter I had a hot glue project for her. She loves hot gluing everything, so this was perfect. Set all the bases out, and take all the cups out of the tower with as much care as you can, not breaking anything. Turn hot glue on, plug it in. Hot glue the base to the cup. Stack them with 25 glasses per layer. Get a Sharpie and make sure the guests write their names or a beautiful drawing when they get their glasses. It worked out perfectly. Nobody lost their glass, nobody lost their base, and we hot glued the bases that had been cracked in the box. All this for 25 cents per glass, and an arts project for free? We'll do it again, anytime.